Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Mimi. So if you are a makeup lover, then you already know that on 29th July was National Lipstick Day, and on National Lipstick Day MAC giveaways free full-size MAC lipsticks. So the offer was also available on Nika as well. So I got for myself 2 of the MAC lipsticks and I got one free with it. So in this video I'm gonna unbox, swatch and review those lipsticks to you guys, and I'm gonna wear them on camera as well. So if you wanna know which shades I got, then keep on watching.
You just have to try harder than you fight. You might be lost like sunshine in the night. You know what they say, life's about to wait. If you wanna be someone, you don't have to wait. You just have to shake. Have to try harder than you fight. You might be lost like sunshine in the night. You know what they say, life's about to wait. If you wanna be someone, you don't have to wait. You just have to try harder than you fight. You might be lost like sunshine in the night.